Welcome to my channel. I'm gonna drive here on this road. Looks like a country road in the city. It's by a lake. There's a lake to my right. It's called Lake McCarran. It's a beautiful evening. You can see the sunset over there. The lake is to my right. It's hard to see the lake, but it's a beautiful evening here. Summer evening, driving on a road that looks like a country road. Hope you're doing well. Thank you for visiting. Give us a like, smash that button, subscribe, turn notifications on. I post videos every single day. Thank you for your support. If you're already a subscriber, continue supporting us by watching videos. You can share, giving a like, and all that good stuff. Beautiful day here, driving on a twisty road. Thank you for joining me. We'll see you on the next video. I'll stop talking and drive. They have nice houses to my right because they are next to the lake. Big houses, expensive houses. That garage needs to be demolished. Looks like it's falling apart. That's my short drive on that country road. We'll see you in the next video. Give a like, subscribe, why not? Peace out.